taking the Starlit Glow Priming Moisturizer, and I took a little bit of jojoba oil and I applied it right onto my face and neck. So next I'm going to dot all over my face my Fenty Beauty foundations in the shade 150 and 240. I'm going to dot that all over my skin. Now I'm going to be taking my dusty little beauty blender from Morphe. Okay, so now I'm taking the Mocha Born This Way concealer. Just putting it right there. I'm just going to blend that out with my little techniques. Shade Almond. I'm putting that on the high points of my face. I'm going to be taking my Ben Nye Cameo Luxury Powder, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that. This stuff gets so messy. I only use translucent powder. I don't really use pressed powder anymore. I just feel like I like the way how translucent powder is so thin, but it can really make your skin look so smooth, and I feel like face powders just like are not my thing. I'm just pretty much going to take whatever I have left over. So now for bronzer. For bronzer for today, I really wanted to use my Benefit Hoola bronzer because I feel like this is such a throwback, and it is seriously really is such a good I'm taking that on a big fluffy brush and I'm kind of just like patting that in. So now for contour, I'm taking my Kat Von D contour kit. I'm just gonna go right underneath that bronzer and just flick up. Now for blush, I'm taking the Makeup Forever. I don't know what color this is, but it's basically this muted pink. And it's so cute, especially with this hair color. So pretty much just putting on the apples of my cheek. I'm taking a little bit of that hot pink and just mixing them together. So now I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution in Champagne. I'm just going to dot Cupid's bow to the nose, right in there. And I'm basically just going to pat it in. So notice how you're still very matte, but very like glowy looking. This is a good tip if you like sweat a lot in the summer, or if you do have like oily skin and you just cannot like do the whole like no powder thing for that glowy look. And I'm also going to take a little bit on my chin. Now another thing I like to do is I like to put this on my collarbone. Sorry if you keep hearing my cat in the background. She's chilling with us. Okay, so let's say I'm in a rush, which is like most of the time if I'm doing photo shoots. We can just pop these cool beauty shadows on, and they kind of so much without us having to do a lot at all. And it's really good if you're like, you just like throwing on, or if you're not really good at eyeshadow, you can easily just pop this on your eye and it'll like do something for you. Next side. So now I'm going to take the opposite side of that, which is the sparkle shade, and I'm just going to put that on our lid. I'm taking the Mirror Luminizer from the Glam. Don't mind my brush. All my brushes are dirty right now. Okay guys, this is pretty much the end of this tutorial. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at BeautyPonyCosmetics, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!